Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I painted this little bear. I'm going in first and painting his fur in pine cone. Next I'm painting his hat in the color peacock. Now I'm going in with the color the Gulf, and I'm going to paint the fluff on his hat, and then I'm also going to go in on this little trim part and paint every other section in the Gulf. And then I'm going to paint the rest of those sections in cotton, which is just a white color. I'm going in and painting his nose black. And then I'm going to use that black for his eyes as well. And I'm just going to begin to outline him. And these lines that I'm going over right now are etched in the cutout, so I'm just following those lines. And then last, I'm just going to go in and paint his cheeks in the color soft pink. And then I'm going to go back in with my number 4 round. And I'm going to highlight everything with the color cotton. And then that will complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.